Be sure to wash your down jacket properly to maintain its original shape. Learn the best methods to clean it without stress. Down jackets are a great choice for cold days, but they require special care. Before washing, always check the label and material of your jacket to avoid mistakes that could weaken its insulation properties. Use detergents specifically designed for down or delicate fabrics. The water temperature should not exceed 40 degrees to prevent damage to the fabric. Avoid fabric softeners, as they can cause the down to clump together and lose its insulating properties. Improper washing and drying may result in the jacket becoming almost transparent. If using a tumble dryer, set it to the lowest temperature and throw in 2 tennis balls to help evenly distribute the down. For air drying, hang the jacket on a hanger and gently shake it to prevent clumping. Leave it in a well-ventilated area to dry completely. Regular and proper care will ensure your down jacket lasts for many seasons, keeping you warm and comfortable on cold days.